Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Midjourney just released their new consistent styles feature called Style Reference. This is available for both V6 and Niji V6. Now you can create consistent styles by providing a reference image or images after the new parameter --sref. Midjourney will look at those images as style references and try to apply the aesthetics to your results. This feature is powerful, and I think a lot of people are going to prefer using it over the style tuner that we have in V5. This is also a big step towards character consistency, which they've hinted will be coming soon. So hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go through how to use this new feature. To use style reference images in your prompt, first type your prompt, then add the --sref parameter, a space, and then paste in the image URL that you want to use as your style reference. In this example, I used an image with a sketchy illustration style as my style reference, and then Midjourney applied those aesthetics to these results. Here, I tried it with this bubbly image, which applied dreamy pastel colors, and this one with some heavy contrast and neon highlights. Similar to how increasing --stylize will increase the strength of the default Midjourney style, you can use --sw to increase the strength of your style reference images. I did try this on a few different prompts, however, I don't think it's working quite well just yet, so hopefully we'll get an update to this in the coming weeks. You can also paste multiple image URLs after --sref, just separate each URL with a space. And you can set relative weights for multiple style reference images. This is a bit advanced, and if you're familiar with multi-prompting, it's the same idea. For example, if I want the relative weight of the first image to be 3, I just add ::3 after the first image URL. Or maybe I want the weight of the second image to be 3. It's important to note that style references are different from image prompting. With image prompting, you put your image URL at the beginning of the prompt, and Midjourney uses all of the content of that image as a reference rather than just pulling the overall style and aesthetics. For example, when I used my sketchy robot images as a style reference, I got these images. But if I use that image as an image prompt, I start getting the robot in my results rather than just the style and aesthetics. The new style reference feature works incredibly well. I think it's much easier to use and understand. This feature is still in alpha, so don't be surprised if there are changes to it over the next few weeks. But for now, go forth and have fun. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like, comment, subscribing, all the things. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.